Yes, yes, ready.
Good afternoon, class. So we are going to discuss about what?
Snakes.
All of you have see snakes?
Yes.
Have you seen?
Yes.
Where?
At the forest. Near my house.
Snake parks in June and
Near our house.
will also come across accidentally on the road. Yes or no? Sometimes accidentally you can see snakes in the garden, in the roadside also. Okay. So can you tell me whether snake is a plant or animal? How many legs it has? How many hands? Can you identify the body? Whether it is, we can say whether the body is flattened or whether it is slender. It is cylindrical and the body is slender. Slender, not cylinder. Slender like. Here, it has no leaves. Leaves means what? Hands and legs. It has no leaves. Then how does it move? कोई बता सकता है? It crawls on the ground. It crawls on the ground. The movement is called. This type of movement is called scissoring movement. इस movement को क्या कहते हैं? Here, can you identify the head? एक snake का head बता सकते हैं आप? The head is very small as compared to the other body. Yeah, other body parts. Yes or no? The head is very small. What is the covering? Exactly, what is the covering that is present on the surface of the body? कोई बता सकता है इसकी body के ऊपर क्या? Scales are present. Yes, the scales are present which cover the whole body. In our body, you will find the bones inside our body. Bones. Now tell me whether bones are present in the body of snakes or not.
Yes.
Small bones are present. Can you identify the rib bones? हमारे बॉडी में rib bones कौन सा है कोई बता सकता है? Yes, on the chest part. This is only confined to what? The chest part. इतनी एरिया में हमारे rib bones है. But in case of snakes, the rib bones are what? Very small, thin, and they are extend through the starting from the head up to towards what? Tail. These are extended. Clear? And can you identify different parts in the head region? That is your eye, ear, nose, tongue. ऐसा कुछ identify कर सकते हैं आप snake में?
They have no nose. He have only tongue.
Snakes have eyes. Hey, children, snakes have eyes. Yes or no? They have eyes. They have nose. Yes, they have nose, but not in the form of nose. They have two external openings. These are called what? In place of nose, हमारे पास nose होता है, उनके पास होता है external layers. External what?
Ears.
Layers, not ears. Clear? Then have the ears. Snake के पास ear होता है, कान होता है.
They feel vibration on the ground.
You see, we have external ears with ear pinna, but they don't have external ears. उनके पास बाहर का कान. Children, they don't have what? External ears, but they have internal ears. Ears are present inside their head. These are called internal ears or impanum. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Internal ears. Or you can say टिम्पाना. प्लूरल में टिम्पाना है, सिंगुलर में क्या होगा? टिम्पानम. Have you seen the tongue?
Yes.
देखा है सांप का टोंग देखा है? जो कोई भी सांप देखा होगा सबको ही सांप का टोंग देखे होंगे. Have you seen? उसमें कितने टोंग होती है? टोंग तो एक ही है, but it is it is what? Buying the speed, we can say. तो फ्लप उसमें से निकला हुआ होता है एंड कंटिन्यूअसली इट प्रोट्रूड्स इट्स टंग टू द आउटसाइड फॉर व्हाट? कोई बता सकता है? For two purposes: to receive the vibration clear coming from the air as well as ground. It can take the vibration from the ground also. And for another reason, that is to take the hotness of the ground. Ground का temperature को भी receive कर सकता है. Accordingly, it can detect its prey. अपना समझ तो prey क्या होता है? अपना food जो है वो लेता है. By taking, it can choose the food. It can choose the prey. Only the warm-blooded animals, particularly, it can detect the warm-blooded animals by detecting the what? Hotness of the environment. इसीलिए वो अपना टंग को बार-बार क्या निकालता है? बाहर को निकालता है. To receive the vibrations क्योंकि उसको सुन नहीं पाता है. And to what? Receive the temperature and hotness of the ground as well as what? Environment. Clear? I have already told you.
So the snake just stand there,
In our country, different kinds of snakes are there. Clear? But only 4 types are what? Yes. Can you tell me what are the 4 types? In our country, these 4 kinds are poisonous snakes, and the most one is a cobra. Here we have 2 kinds, viper and crate. This is a viper, highly poisonous snake. Here, and here 3 to 4 snakes are there. These are what? These are crates. These are what? Common crate. Common crate. Here, this is viper. This is a common crate. Cobra, I think almost you all have seen cobra. Cobra को commonly क्या कहते हैं? Commonly it is called Indian cobra, that is your naja. नाग कहते हैं ना? नाग जानते हो ना? Indian cobra या king cobra we can say.